Welcome to Creating All Things Joy. We're going to get started right away. These are the supplies that you're going to need: some scissors, a pen, glue gun, foam packing sheets, embellishment tweezers. You're going to take that foam packing sheet, you're going to cut out the shapes of the pillows or cushions that you want to create. You're going to choose the fabric or ribbon, and we're going to use duct tape today as well to make pillows. We chose the gingham red first, cut it into a round shape. These are going to be our cushions for some chairs that we're going to create in a future video. Now you're going to use the glue gun to glue together two pieces of the foam packing sheets in each one of these pillows or cushions. Make sure that your glue gun is on low heat because this foam does melt very easy. Once you've chosen the fabric or the tape or whatever you're using to create your pillows or cover your pillows, you're going to choose that piece of foam packing sheet that matches the shape that you'd like, cover it with that material. And I love these yellow satin pillows. This particular pillow is going to have like an embellishment in the middle. And so what I did is I just took the glue gun and just stuck it down the middle so it kind of melted that foam and made an indent. And then I'm going to place an embellishment in the indent. And you can use whatever you like, beads. In my case, I'm using sequences. This pillow also, the gold one, has the embellishment in the middle, a sequence. And here we're going to start with those duct tape pillows. Now, these pillows you don't need the glue because the tape will stick to itself. So you're going to put your foam in, put the two pieces together. And in this case, we're going to add a trim. So just squeeze it together when you get it placed where you'd like it to be. So you don't even need glue for these. And duct tape comes in so many designs and colors now. You can create all kinds of leather pillows. Here we're going to create some cushions for a future project that we'll be working on. If you're interested in seeing the projects that we create, make sure you hit the subscribe button down at the bottom. And here we're going to create more of a cushion. So you're going to cover both sides or two pieces of foam, put them together once they're covered, and then put a trim around the entire cushion. And here's just an array of pillows that we created. And we will be using these pillows in future projects. So if you're interested, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment on any projects you'd like us to do in the future. And here are just a few of the cushions and pillows we've created already. Just let your imagination run wild. The choices will be endless. And here we have two chairs that we created. And we're going to create a set in the future. If you'd like to see those videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. That's all we have for you today. If you want to see me work out other dollhouse hacks, let me know in the comments down below.